You wake up, walk into your kitchen, and there they are. A whole trail of ants marching across your counter like they own the place. You grab the spray, you blast them, the smell fills the entire room. And guess what? They're back the next day. Every single time. Sound familiar? What if I told you there's a completely natural method to keep ants out of your kitchen, permanently, without a single drop of harmful chemical spray? No toxic residue on your counters, no dangerous fumes near your food, no expensive exterminators, just a $1 natural solution that ants absolutely cannot stand. And the best part? It is 100% safe for your kids, your pets, and your entire family. Stay right here because by the end of this video, your kitchen is going to be ant-free, clean, and odor-free, naturally. Before we start, one quick safety note. Everything in this video uses kitchen-safe, non-toxic, natural ingredients. No chemicals, no harmful compounds. Completely safe when used as shown. Do not skip any part of this video. Every step matters. And if you are new here, hit that subscribe button right now and turn on the bell so you never miss a single home hack that actually works. Let's get into it. Here is something most people do not know about ants. They are not just randomly walking into your kitchen. They are following a chemical road. Ants communicate through invisible chemical trails called pheromones. When one scout ant finds food, it lays down a pheromone trail all the way back to the colony. And then hundreds, sometimes thousands, of ants follow that exact invisible road straight into your kitchen. That is why killing the ants, you see, does not stop the problem. More just keep coming. The trail is still there, the chemical road is still active. And here's the second big problem. Most people reach for commercial ant sprays. Those sprays contain pyrethroids, permethrin, and other synthetic neurotoxins. They leave invisible residue on your counters, your cutting boards, near your food, surfaces where you prepare meals for your family. Studies have shown these residues can persist for days and even weeks on kitchen surfaces. So you are trading one problem for another, an ant problem for a chemical contamination problem. And still, the ants come back. Because the spray kills the ants, you see, but does absolutely nothing to destroy the pheromone trail underneath. The colony sends new recruits, new trail. Same invasion. The natural method I'm about to show you works completely differently. It disrupts the pheromone trail, blocks the entry points, and creates a natural barrier that ants will not cross. No chemicals, no danger. Just pure, simple science. Everything you need for this costs under $2 total. You probably already have most of this at home right now. First, white vinegar, plain distilled white vinegar. You can get a large bottle for about 50 cents to $1 at any grocery store. This is the backbone of our ant trail destroyer. Second, pure peppermint essential oil. A small bottle costs around $1 and will last you months. You can find it at any health store, pharmacy, or even online. Third, baking soda, pure sodium bicarbonate. Costs almost nothing, and you likely have it in your pantry already. Fourth, plain table salt. That is it. 4 natural ingredients. Total cost, under $2. That is your entire ant defense system right there. No hardware store, no exterminator bill, no toxic products. Just simple, natural, powerful ingredients that have been disrupting ants long before chemical sprays were ever invented. Let me explain exactly why this works. Because understanding the science makes you use it correctly. Ants rely entirely on their sense of smell to navigate. Those pheromone trails I mentioned earlier are scent-based chemical signals. When you apply white vinegar to an ant trail, the acetic acid in the vinegar completely overpowers and erases that pheromone signal. The chemical road disappears. The ants behind lose their map. They scatter. The colony loses its organized path into your home. Now here's where peppermint oil comes in. Peppermint contains a compound called menthol. Menthol is intensely overwhelming to ants' olfactory receptors, the same sensory system they use to follow trails and find food. When ants encounter a surface treated with peppermint oil, it is like being hit with a scent so powerful it completely disorients them. They will not cross it. Research in entomology has confirmed that peppermint oil is one of the most effective natural ant deterrents ever documented. And it is 100% safe for humans and animals. Baking soda works differently. When ants come into contact with baking soda and then groom themselves, which ants do constantly, it reacts with the natural formic acid in their bodies and disrupts their chemistry. Meanwhile, salt works as a desiccant. Tiny salt crystals at entry points draw moisture from the ants' exoskeletons. Ants avoid crossing concentrated salt barriers entirely. You are not just repelling ants with one method. You are hitting them on 4 different fronts simultaneously. Trail destruction, scent barrier, contact disruption, physical deterrent. This is why this natural method works when everything else keeps failing. Now let's put this together. Get a clean spray bottle. Any bottle works. Pour in 1 cup of white vinegar. Add 10 to 15 drops of peppermint essential oil directly into the vinegar. Close the bottle and shake it well for about 30 seconds until fully combined. This is your primary ant trail destroyer and barrier spray. Set it aside for now. Next, take a small bowl and add 2 tablespoons of plain baking soda. Add 1 tablespoon of fine table salt. Mix them together until combined. This is your entry point powder. Now, this is the most important part of the entire process. You need to find where the ants are actually entering your kitchen. Do not skip this step. If you do not address the entry points, the ants will simply find a new path. Look along the baseboards. Check around window frames and door frames. Look behind the refrigerator and under the sink. These are the top 2 entry zones in most kitchens. Check where pipes enter the wall under the sink and behind the stove. Look for the tiniest cracks and gaps. Ants can enter through a gap the thickness of a sheet of paper. Once you have identified the entry points, take your vinegar and peppermint spray and apply it generously along every ant trail you can see on your counters, floor, and walls. Spray directly on the trails. Wipe them clean with a cloth and then spray again. This destroys the existing pheromone road and eliminates the scent signal the ants are following. Now take the spray bottle and apply it along your entire baseboard, the full perimeter of the kitchen, spray along windowsills. Spray the inside edge of your door frames. Spray under the sink around the pipes. Let it air dry naturally. Do not wipe it off. As it dries, the peppermint oil remains active on the surface and the vinegar residue continues disrupting any new trail attempts. Next, take your baking soda and salt mixture. Apply a thin line of it directly at every entry point, crack, and gap you identified. You are creating a physical and chemical barrier that ants will not cross. Use a dry paintbrush or your finger to press the powder gently into the crack so it sits in place. Apply it along the bottom of the door frame, where the door meets the floor. Apply it behind the refrigerator along the wall joint. Apply it around any exposed pipe gaps under the sink. Now for the inside of your cabinets, especially food storage cabinets. Spray the vinegar and peppermint solution along the inside edges of the shelves. Pay special attention to corners. Let it dry completely before replacing any food items. The scent will be very light once dry and completely safe around food packaging. Finally, place 2 or 3 cotton balls soaked in peppermint oil in the corners of your kitchen cabinets, under the sink, and behind the refrigerator. These act as long-lasting scent barriers in the most vulnerable zones. Replace the cotton balls every 2 to 3 weeks to maintain the barrier. The entire application process takes less than 20 minutes. That is your complete natural ant defense system, installed and active. Now here is what happens after you apply this method. Within the first hour, any ants that were actively trailing in your kitchen become disoriented. Their pheromone map has been erased. Their entry points are blocked. Their navigation system has been completely disrupted. They scatter, they retreat, and they do not return to the same trail. By the next day, your kitchen surfaces are clean, no trails, no scouts running across the counter, no clusters near the sugar bowl or fruit basket. The before and after with this method is dramatic. Before, a kitchen with visible ant trails, ants clustered near food prep areas, constant reinfestation no matter how many times you spray. After, clean counters, odor-free surfaces, no chemical residue, and ants that simply avoid the entire kitchen perimeter. The natural scent barrier remains active even after the vinegar smell fades completely. The peppermint oil continues working. The salt and baking soda powder stays at the entry points as a passive deterrent. And unlike chemical sprays, you have not left any toxic residue near your food, your cutting surfaces, or your children's reach. Your kitchen is genuinely clean, not just visually clean, chemically clean. A few important points before you go. This solution is completely safe for cats, dogs, and all common household pets. Peppermint oil at this dilution level is safe around most animals. However, if you have cats that are very sensitive to strong scents, ensure good ventilation when first applying. The vinegar spray is 100% food safe and will not harm any surfaces in a standard kitchen. For extra long-term protection, reapply the vinegar and peppermint spray along your baseboards and entry zones every 2 weeks. If you have a serious, ongoing ant problem, apply the full treatment once a week for the first month. This resets the scent barrier consistently and prevents any new trail from establishing. Keep your kitchen dry. Ants are drawn to moisture just as much as food. Fix any dripping taps, dry out the sink area after washing up, and check for moisture under the refrigerator. Store all sugar, honey, fruit, and sweet items in sealed containers. These are the primary attractors for scout ants. Remove the food signal and combined with your natural barrier. Ants have no reason to enter at all. Wipe down your counters after every meal using a clean, damp cloth. Even invisible food residue is enough to attract ant scouts. If you see a single ant on your counter, do not just kill it. Follow it. That ant is almost certainly on a scouting mission. Follow its path back to the entry point and apply your baking soda and salt powder directly there. Stop the invasion before it starts. That is the complete natural method to keep ants out of your kitchen. Permanently, without a single harmful spray, under $2, 4 natural ingredients, 20 minutes of your time, and your kitchen stays clean, safe, and ant-free. No toxic residues. No chemical fumes. No more waking up to an army on your countertop. Just a simple, science-backed natural solution that actually works. If this video helped you, smash that like button right now. It genuinely helps this channel reach more people who are tired of wasting money on chemical sprays that do not solve the problem. Drop a comment below. Tell me which ant entry point you found in your kitchen. I read every single comment, and I love hearing your results. If you are not subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you get notified the moment my next video goes live. Coming up next, I'm going to show you a natural method to eliminate cockroaches from your kitchen using a single $1 ingredient that pest control companies do not want you knowing about. You're not going to want to miss that one. Thank you for watching. Stay natural, stay smart, and I will see you in the next one.